In this video, I'll show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So we're gonna go ahead and open the YouTube website. I'm gonna make a playlist with my favorite songs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select music at the top. Now here YouTube is gonna give me some suggestions of songs that I might like. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the song that I want to add to my playlist. And what you're gonna do is click on the three dots at the bottom. Then you're gonna click on save. And here you will see every single playlist that you have. But if you wanna create a new one, simply click on new playlist. So go ahead and add a title to your playlist. You can also edit the visibility of your playlist. So I'm gonna set it to private so only I can see it, but you can set it to public or unlisted. Unlisted is gonna mean that anyone that has access to a link that you can create can watch this playlist. I'm just gonna set it to private and I'm gonna click on create. Now, as you can see, this song was saved to my playlist. If I wanna add a different song, I will simply go ahead and find it and we will follow the same process. As you can see, if we click on save, we will see the playlist that we just created. And that's it. Hope that helps.